Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to shoot a TikTok video without any hands. So let's start. First, open your TikTok app. Now tap on the plus button from the bottom of the screen. Now select a sound by tapping on sounds on the top of the screen. Now I'll just randomly select a song. Now tap on timer on right hand side. Now if you drag on the slider, you'll be able to reduce the duration as long as you want. And you can also set a countdown of 3 seconds or 10 seconds. Now tap on start shooting and the countdown will start. And that's how you can shoot your TikTok video without using your hands. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.